That was good, Titi. Are you going to stand up and walk? Ah. Good job, Jonathan. Let's see if you can do it. Come on. Let's see how much you can walk. You ready? Stand up. Get your balance. Whoops. Get your balance. You don't want to? Okay. Ready? Hold on. Get your balance. Okay. Now, show me how you do it. Come on, Jonathan. Good job. Good job. You did it. You did it. Look at your hair, silly.